Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. Okay, so let's begin. We're making yummy kulfi ice cream, and for that I'm going to use 10 to 12 strands of saffron. This changes the flavor, the texture, and you get this amazing color also. I've soaked it in 2 tablespoons of warm water. Now I'm using coconut milk. Don't use the carton coconut milk, use the can. And it's 400 milliliters of that. It fits perfectly well into the Ninja container. Now I use a stevia erythritol blend, and I feel that works best for ice creams in the Ninja Creami. I'm putting 4 tablespoons. You can even put 5 if you like. And you can't make kulfi ice cream without one cardamom powder. You need 1 teaspoon of that. Put it into the container, and just to show you the fill line, I put it in the container. Otherwise I would have done it in the blender. 1/4 of a teaspoon of guar gum. This I feel again works amazing for the Ninja Creami. Now I'm putting it all into my NutriBullet to give it a nice mix. I just don't like wasting any, so I'm using my hands. And I'm adding the saffron strands with the water, and you'll see what a beautiful color it gives. And now I'm going to blitz this all in the Ninja blender. Here we have it. So that's how it will look now, but the saffron will still pull out its color. I'm going to, of course, freeze this overnight for 24 hours, and this is what we get. Beautiful kulfi ice cream. I mean, it is so tasty, so different from the normal ice creams you get in a store. Do try this recipe. I think you're going to like it. And do consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell. Bye then.